Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, as regards his ordeal. So what is your take on this?
Yes, Nyako has to refuse. She has to refuse. Because of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, she resigned. And every other judges we are running away from it. Being the person that started it from the onset, they push it back to her. But she's vividly standing out now to let the Nigerian government, that, including Tinubu government, that she will not continue. Because let me tell you, she negotiated, she was the one that brought the idea, she initiated the idea of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu settling with Nigeria out of court. She initiated the idea because she have looked into that system, into what is going on, and she found out that this young man was not guilty of the accused leveled against him. And remember, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu already said that whosoever that will try him here must be a terrorist. And Binta, based on her credentials as a judge and a woman who has a good conscience, you understand, may not want to act based on what Nigerian government want her to act upon in the case of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Because if she does, it may have some critical implication against her career internationally. You understand? And her reputation internationally may likely go down speedily and seriously. And it will not speak good of her as a good lawyer, as a good judge, rather. You understand? All these things are the things that she's trying to dodge from the onset, because from that onset she has been monitoring the case, following it up, see the way Nigeria is going, that actually that Nigeria does not have a concrete evidence. You understand? No concrete evidence that qualify Mazi Nnamdi Kanu trial here in Nigeria. You understand? So, and that's just it. God bless you.
Okay, so Benjamin Kalu has said in the time past, just recently, he said, I will make sure I do everything for Tinubu to release Nnamdi Kanu in 2025. And just recently now, he has come out and said himself and even Abaribe and other prominent politicians, senators in the southeast have come out and said they want peace in the southeast, and at the same time they are ready to stand as surety, just like Benjamin Kalu said, I'm ready to fight and make sure that Tinubu releasing Nnamdi Kanu come 2025. What is your take as regards this?
Yes, I love that. If that movement should be taken. Although Abaribe have been a man for Senator Abaribe have been the man from the onset. He has been the one which he made it openly and clearly. He said Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is his brother, that is ready to stand for him anytime, 1 million times. You understand? So Benjamin Kanu now supporting, backing up, and the other politicians and the senators. And let me tell you, before now, they have already over 100 and something Nigerian senators have already asked, tender a request for the freedom of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, even before now. But the government in power have refused to adhere their opinion. And I don't know, even now, I'm not giving 100%, but I believe since Abaribe involved, Benjamin Kanu, well, and others, maybe Tinubu could or may listen to them this time. But there's something I want to understand, because that article, I didn't get it completely. Network did not allow me to get it completely. You understand that information? I am asking, are they standing to that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu will not agitate again, or because of because these are two things: agitation, which kept him there, and kidnapping. I wanted to go through to get the concrete this thing before I talk about it. Are you getting it? But I believe that somebody like Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, our leader, whom we believe, it will be to sign based on the kidnapping aspect of it, because he sued Nigeria for 50 billion based on that. And Nigeria is owing him 50 billion. Probably on the note of 50 billion is what they want to negotiate and pencil their biro. Probably it's on that, because I don't see Nnamdi Kanu dropping agitation. You understand? So it's a very good movement, and they are not the first. Over 150 or even 80 are done, but if now they are now coming back again, taking this step, is good. And if Tinubu will listen to them, probably it could be as a result of the threat of the North towards the president, that could even make him to a kind of, okay, oh, let me hear these people, let me listen to these people, and let me, like, okay, grant them this wish. I said, Nnamdi Kanu, you can go, which he have the right to do without anybody pressurizing him. You understand? He can do, maybe based on that, maybe he can grant them that wish, that desire, because of the threat that is coming from the northern part of Nigeria.
Of that threat.
Yes. Okay, it can be possible. Because of that, he will release, he will free. Yes.
But some say if Abaribe is saying they will stand at surety, you know, and he want to make sure that they release Nnamdi Kanu, but someone like Soludo, he was saying another thing, that he should not be released. So who are we going to believe, and why are they? Why are they not?
Excuse me, my brother. We know who is who. It's Abaribe we have to believe, not Soludo. Yes.
I say it's not believing the sitting governor.
I'm not believing the sitting governor who says, even if you release Nnamdi Kanu, insecurity will continue. Why should I believe him? That means he doesn't want security, safety of the people in his state. So he's the one, like I've said on this TV before, that if Nigeria is a country, somebody like Soludo must be questioned. They need to, EFCC, for that statement, they need to go again after him.
Yes.
They need to go after him and carry him, arrest him, and interrogate him and detain him. Are you getting it? And if they didn't do that, there should be a petition of him to resign. You understand, from office, for because that statement is a statement of incompetency as a governor to rule the people of Anambra State. You understand me? That means he's speaking a word of incompetency to lead the people of Anambra State. So he should resign. But Nigeria is not that kind of country. That's why he said it, and it's still scot-free. You understand? Even a land that is, he want to recruit, or maybe have already started recruiting some group of people again for his own, on his own side. You understand? So Soludo should, I don't take, no. I don't take Soludo, and I will never take Soludo. I will take Abaribe, Senator Abaribe. That is the man. He has done it, after all, Soludo, Abaribe had done it before, which we witness, which we are well. So definitely, if he's saying it again, I am not surprised.
To rock, and they are kind of shocked as regards, because some people they call Uyo Biafra. So what is your take as regards Basey going to?
Yes, it is a very, very good home. He plays the role of regardless and the importance and validity of Christianity in the hearts of Donald Trump. How he value the life of the Christians, and how he value Christianity, and how he value lives and those who believe in our Lord Jesus Christ. It plays that, yes, that in America, they still value Biafrans, and they regard the things that come from Biafra land. They know the importance, what the role it will play. Trump will value it, USA value it so immensely. You understand? I love it so much, and it's a kudos, and it's a plus, an addition to what we are actually pushing. You understand me? We are actually pushing, proving to the world we have something that the world needs. That which the world can get, what the world is lacking, what the world cannot get anywhere, that in Biafra they can get it. And that is what he has shown. So, and I love that. And I love the work of that young man, and the zeal, the steady, and the hard working. You understand? And the consistency that he has put in, the faith he have added, the kind of the effort. You understand? And today he's paying for it. He's receiving the reward of his effort. And the hard work which he has put in that music industry. You understand? And I love, and I thank God, and I am happy that he's from Uyo. He's a core Biafra man. He's my brother. I'm happy that this kind call is coming from my brother that come from Uyo. And God will bless US. God will bless Donald Trump for that recognition.
But some will say, after I saw some comment on Twitter where some said Basey is a Biafran because it's from Uyo. I don't know how true that is, but they said with this now, I think Trump is taking note of Nnamdi Kanu's predicament, and that we know that his current chief of staff and former Biafran lobbyist Suzy Willie, we're working with Trump, that there's a very big chance and big hope for Nnamdi Kanu now that Trump is set to take presidents as the 46th president or 47th president of 48th president of America.
Yes, it is a good omen, like I earlier said. Him coming up on the 20th of this month, he will be inaugurating as the president of what? The 48th president of United States of America. And let me tell you, in regard of the man in quote, the Iroko himself, in person of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, and I see it that Trump becoming the president and being in the assuming the office, already somebody is already there pushing it. The lobbyist in person of with Suzy, you understand? She currently now has been given a major position in America, the chief of staff. You get it? So being the chief of staff and a major former lobbyist with Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, and currently the chief of staff in United States of America, under the watch that is going to be under the watch of Donald Trump, who love the Christians, who love Biafrans so much. I know with this positive report is going to come at the end of the tunnel, because Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, the Iroko himself, is coming out. I believe that. I believe that. Yes, will be coming out, and I believe that strongly. That before Trump will end his tenure 4 years, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu will be free from detention or the DSS.
Okay. But just recently, the latest news is that Nyako, refuses. Nyako, yes, as what refutes, as ordered by Tinubu to try Samuel Ekpa,
to try Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. To try. It's a welcome call. In Imo, Anambra, and clear. Abi, go to the east, Abi, but you cannot go to Borno. You can go to east, but you cannot go to Borno. Then in Borno, the people that they wipe, and they're not soldier.
The army should go to every part of every forest, then the southeast and the northwest, to clear and to wipe every illegal armed forces there in the southeast and the northwest. What's your take on this?
In the bush.
Yes, in the bush. He said they should go to every corner of every bush and wipe.
I want to ask a question. That army, those army that was wiped in Borno State, are they wiped in the bush or in the town?
I think this is a different scenario.
I am asking if they can be wiped not in the bush. How do you then think that they will go to the bush and succeed?
As chief defense staff, he has ordered the army to go to the bush
See, my brother, let us go. Let us get this thing straight. Let's see, just Musa stop giving an order. Let him lead them. Yes, he has to go. No. It has gone beyond that. You understand? In Ukraine, after all, their president is at the war front. So let's see, there's Musa come now, so that we know that he's serious and he really want to do the job. Let him lead them to all those Boronu. Army are dying steady. Army are dying every day. What have you done, Sidious Musa? Is it not the high time you send your boys as usual, go to house? But it's only in the east that you can visit house to house. Only in Imo State, only in Aba, you can visit house to house. If this kind of thing happen, no youth in Igbo land that will remain at home. They will visit them overnight to pick them. But see, it has happened again. This is not the first time. It has happened again in Borno State. Till today, Musa have not visited any home to pick any male child. You see why we are talking about marginalization. You see why we are talking about humiliation. You see why we are talking about intimidation. You see why we are talking about Biafra freeing themselves. Biafra standing on their own. Biafra going, exiting from this country called Nigeria. You get it now? And I ask, why is it that everything about Biafra, Nigeria always take it as if they put nail on at the center of their head? I am asking. Jigawa is under siege. Zamfara 3 local government is under siege today. As I'm talking to you, the Finland, the 2G and his men are telling them to pay 100 million. The 3 villages, 3 local governments now, villagers are now have run away from the village. And Musa is here. Buba is here, the defense. All of them are here. IG, Inspector of Police, is here. What are they actually doing? Are you telling me they are not hearing? Are you telling me they are not aware? What is actually going on? Let me tell you something I heard. They only have been saying it, but it's now that I come to believe. That when you see all this Boko Haram, if you say should, I will say, I could remember during Buhari time, it was too obvious. They say order have not come from above. And these same people are causing havoc to the nation. You said order have not come from above. Well, when will order come from above? That means from above, give them the order to do what they are doing. So the people are in above are the ones sponsoring terrorism in Nigeria. Boko Haram and the rest. That's what it means. Because if orders should come from above before you react as a policeman that's supposed to protect life and property anywhere in Nigeria, order need to come from above for you to act as a military man who has signed your life to protect, to defend the country, and order need to come from above. Then who are the people in above? Who are these people in above? So that means the people in above are the one behind what is happening. So you that have signed yourself to serve the country, that means you be mumu be that. Yes, now you be mugu be that now. Because if order need to come from above for you to do the right thing that you signed to do for good, for the country to be better, and you have to wait until when order come from above, and the other one does not wait for order from above because they will send you to early grave. But when it comes to your turn, you have to wait from order from above. So the people that is in above need to be questioned over what is going on in the north, in Nigeria as well. If you remember vividly, one time I said, one certain time on this video, on this TV, I said that Nigerian politicians, if terrorism should stop in this country, that Nigerian politicians should do what? Should be held accountable. That once they remove their hand from this, terrorism will stop. Terrorism will stop. That means they should be held accountable. See all these things. Musana is busy pointing Simon Ekpa. Whereas Boko Haram, Tujib and his group, and many of them, I can't remember their name, there are many, terrorizing all the whole middle belt and the northern part of Nigeria. As I'm talking to you, the Hausas and Fulanis are very seriously, they have serious conflict. As I'm talking to you, Hausa and Fulani in the north, as I'm talking to you today. Serious one, oh. But Musa is not seeing it. Neither is he hearing it. But Simon Ekpa is the problem. In fact, what a drama. What a drama in Nigeria. What a drama. May God have mercy.
But with this, with the Finnish government releasing these two Simon Ekpa accomplices, and at the same time getting the evidence, video evidence, do you not think that the Finnish government has already getting to know that Simon Ekpa is, doing the right thing, or do you think that Finland government know that he's doing the right thing?
Now listen, this is an evidence, and it is a kind of showing to Musa that Finland is not Africa, and neither are they Nigeria or Kenya. That Finland are taking the case so seriously and treating it the way it should. And with this that is happening now, releasing 4, now they have released another 2. That means that they arrested more than the 4 that the Nigeria have first of all said. And at the same time, their interrogation and investigation is indicating that Simon Ekpa was completely innocent of what Nigeria have allegedly accused him of. Because all these people that they have released, they have not charged them for anything. Neither accused them of or anything. They were just being released freely like that. And that is how it's supposed to be. Not here they will begin to ask you, pay money for, they will tell you bailing is free, but yet you will still bail yourself with the money. You can't come out without paying money. Over there, when they interrogate you and see that nothing, definitely you go. So Simon Ekpa and his men are innocent. And this thing pushed me to what I want to say now. They are now complying with what Simon Ekpa have already said, and what he's about to say, and what he's about to do again. You understand? Once he come out, because by the time he finish, when he's found not guilty, he will be free. And he will have his asset back on social media, on the public, anywhere. Then only God knows what happens next. Yes, only God can tell that. Because I know for sure I know for sure that Sidious Musa cannot go to ICC. All what he has said in Al Jazeera is just a normal talk. It's just a normal talk.
But with this now, with what's happening now, do you think Nigeria is safe? Because if the bandits can go to the military base and kill, wipe away soldiers, burn down their vehicles, do you think that the normal civilians are safe? Even with like what you said, what's happening in Ibadan, another part of southwest, south, even we go to Delta, people can no longer go to their farm. Do you think that the country is in a safe hand? But we've heard Musa said, the country security wise will be better than last year. What's your take? But it's just early in the year and we saw what's happening.
Hello, he says security wise will be better. On what condition? On what purpose? Which way? Okay, security wise, they have shifted to Oyo State. Right in the front, the very eyes of Oyo State governor. People were shut down. Where is the security? Who are they securing? Where is their strength? And where is their ability? Why not stop them before they come to this level? Even to the point they have conquered not coming down to Yoruba land here. You understand? Because Jigawa, Borno State, as I said, and as already reported, that their camp has been wiped, visited, and soldiers have been wiped out, and their vehicle, everything burned down and mesmerized every corner. You understand? In Plateau, and in fact, let me tell you, Nigeria in diaspora doesn't have security, and it is the high time, either in Sokoto, no, in Kaduna State, or in one of the northern part of Nigeria, one time, who decided to buy gun and give the citizens, you understand, to protect and to defend themselves. It is the high time that every Nigeria should lay hand on something for self-defense.